Oh my God. What do you think? This is nice. This is very nice. Oh, beautiful shower head.
It was really overwhelming to know that someone nominated me and nominated us so that we could have this privilege of being able to have our safety issues dealt with.
Hey guys, my name is Haig with Payless Kitchens and Baths, and we're back with another giveaway, and this time we're in the city of Palmdale. And today we're here to surprise Mr. and Mrs. Thomas, a couple who has been married for over 40 years, have lived here in Palmdale for the last 13 years, and they've raised 5 children in this home. With time, like many homeowners in Southern California, what happens is that bath simply does not meet their needs. And for today, for Valentine's Day, we're here to surprise Mr. and Mrs. Thomas with a complete tub to a walk-in shower conversion to make it safe and functional. And now let's go and meet Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and hear their story. Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Thomas.
Hi.
My name's Haig.
Debbie?
Nice to meet you, Debbie.
Hi.
Haig.
How you spell
It's like H-A-I-G. It's saying hi with a G.
Okay, hi.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh!
This is for you. We're here to surprise you this morning. You were nominated for our Valentine's Day giveaway, and we're here to help convert that old tub into a walk-in shower.
This is beautiful.
May we come in?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Come on in.
Thank you.
I'm Deborah Thomas.
I'm Dan Thomas Sr., and we've been married going on 42 years. Well, this home, we've been in there since it was built 2012, 13 years, going on 14.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Of course. It's so nice to meet you.
They more than welcome to come in.
Come on in.
We first met on a school bus trip that I was driving, and our oldest son was on at that particular time. He graduated from kindergarten.
I think we interacted a conversation that we had. We had a lot of things in common, and he seemed to be quite a considerate and kind individual. So I thought maybe he was worthy of having my phone number.
I saw her climbing on the monkey bars, and I knew that was the woman for me.
As a small family-owned business here in Southern California, we are proud to help our community over the last 40 years of us doing business. And today we are proud to continue that effort by helping families just like Mr. and Mrs. Thomas.
We took everything out.
Okay, no worries. No, don't worry, that's perfect.
She had had some falls in the past, and her stepping over to raise up her leg to get into the tub was an issue with her getting in and out of the tub.
Yeah, I'm a 100% disabled Air Force vet, and as I'm 70, so as I get older, those issues of safety and health, falling down, and when to step into that tub is very unsafe, you know? So that was our main issue. We can just about deal with most things as far as aesthetics, you know, but the fact that it was very unsafe for me, not just for me.
Well, for both.
All right.
So we had that wall, you know, decorationed up, and we had a rack here, a shower.
A curtain rod.
Yeah, curtain rod.
You guys removed it.
Yes, and had them take all of the items out of here. So,
Well, at the end of today, you're gonna have a whole brand new walk-in shower. So it's gonna be awesome. The guys are probably gonna come in about 15 minutes or so we'll get started. One of the first things you wanna check for is any sort of moisture that's built up in any crack or crevice that the shower system is showing. So if you were to check one of these, there you go, it's already starting to go off, meaning that moisture has built up into an area like that, and it's not a matter of if, but when it can get to those stubs back there and cause real damage. Another point of concern, especially for an elderly couple like Mr. and Mrs. Thomas, is that every day when they use this bathtub, they have to essentially jump over a 17-inch threshold in order to get into this bathtub and use it properly. And one of the other risks with a shower system like this is over time, the sealant that comes finished with a material like this can get diminished, especially if you're using any sort of harmful abrasive cleaners like 409 that can essentially diminish that sealant on top of that material. And especially when you add water in the mix, it's only going to cause more concern for slips and falls.
I had quite a few falls.
She's had a couple
here lately.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to really speak on it because, you know, as you get older, they tend to have a tendency to put you in a certain category when you reach this age and you begin to start falling and stuff. So it was really overwhelming to know that someone nominated me and nominated us so that we could have this privilege of being able to have our safety issues dealt with. And like you said, aesthetics, that's beautiful. But the fact that someone nominated us to have that done is remarkable in this time.
They told me about their story and two things. One was their family. Everything for them is about family, their children. Debbie and her sisters helped take care of her mom, their grandchildren. They told me about a wonderful trip to Germany for a family wedding and how much they enjoy their new in-laws. And then it was also their demeanor with each other. Just they were clearly partners and had a lot of love and respect for each other. Well, when I was asked if there was somebody who came to mind that was a wonderful couple for the Valentine's bath makeover, they were just the first people who popped into my mind because I took a little with me when I left, you know, just the wonderful feeling that they imparted from our discussions. Even though they weren't able to move forward with the bathroom while it was here, we sat and talked, and I remember Dan telling me how fun it was to drive fast on the Autobahn and some lovely walks in the woods in Germany. So they gave a lot to me when that I was able to take with me.
So one of the other points of concerns with a shower system like this is once the homeowner gets into a wet area like this and they deal with any sort of slips or falls, there's essentially nothing to hold on to for support. And that's where, you know, typically you would want a grab bar to hold on to actually get into a shower system like this, or even on the back wall so that when they're using it, they have something to hold on to. But, you know,
This is nice. This is very nice. Oh, beautiful shower head. Beautiful shower head. It actually looks bigger.
Is that like a rain shower? That's exactly right. So here's what we got done, folks. We tore up that fiberglass shower system that you guys had. We raised the height of the shower system and we added an all new waterproof material where it cannot harbor any mold or mildew on top of the surface of this shower system. And we added one of our most popular designs, which is the gray flagstone shower system that has this Roman block type of design that you guys are seeing. And a couple of our most popular accessories, you guys already noticed our Moen rain shower heads that actually it comes with a shower wand so that if you guys need to move that thing around, it's totally doable. And 16 by 16 storage niche for any of your shampoo bottles. And to make it even more safe and accessible, you guys got a 24-inch grab bar down there to make sure you can get in and out safely.
That's great. This is wonderful. This is great. And that's nice. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Of course. Another amazing remodel in the books. This is what it's all about. Giving back to those who have given so much to one another, their families, and their community. And for Valentine's Day, we decided to share the love by giving Mr. and Mrs. Thomas a free walk-in shower. And it wouldn't be possible without our amazing team and our incredible clients who support us. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.